Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find guys where the PCV valve is located and how to replace it. It's a component that most of you never think about replacing, but it's super important, and that little valve can actually ruin your engine, and we're going to explain that as we go, so make sure you stay until the end. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So as you can see guys, this specifically it's a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Right here, 2013 2.4 GDI engine. Even if you have a different engine, but the most common one is a GDI guys, the procedure will be about the same. Let's explain now. You first need to remove that engine cover, needs to come up. You have 4 bushings where it attaches to the valve cover. Those bushings are right here, and they attach, you can see, to these posts over there. Once you do that guys, you start looking for hoses coming out of the valve cover. First one, this is a vacuum line, so it's not this one. Then you come to this side, right here. You come to this side and you notice that you have a valve. This is known as the PCV valve. This is actually an item that you have to replace at certain mileage guys, and you can check your service manual. On some vehicles it says 40,000, some 60,000 miles, some 80,000 miles, but if that valve fails, you can have symptoms like burning engine oil, smoking out of the exhaust, blowing gaskets guys. You may have codes for running lean or running rich guys. P0, 171, 174, really complicated to fix codes. There could be so many things that can go bad if that valve fails. It can fail in different positions guys, stuck open or stuck closed. And we have a special video that explains the symptoms of a bad PCV valve on Hyundai Sonata guys. So you'll be able to find that video on our channel, and it's going to explain all that. But how you guys remove and replace it, you grab that hose and you pull it out. Perfect, just like that. Now, if you have excessive amount of oil inside the hose, it means that the valve is 100% done guys. But in our case, not too much, not too much, but you can see we have some oil vapors. What the PCV valve does, it's pretty simple. It gets guys, when the engine runs, the pistons go up and down, they create pressure. That pressure needs to exit somehow, or the engine will blow up pretty much, because all the gaskets will start leaking. So at that point guys, that PCV valve takes that positive crankcase pressure guys, takes it actually out of the engine, and it will be injected in the intake manifold. You can see right here is ours, and from there it's going to burn through the engine, so you don't have that pressure in the engine. So we're going to get the socket now, 22 millimeter, and we're going to go ahead, remove it now. Perfect, it came loose. The moment it comes loose, most of the times they go by hand pretty easy. Let's see if it is going. Nope, it's still stuck. That wire is a little bit in the way, so let's go ahead, get it loose all the way. Perfect. It's actually guys, probably it's a 7/8 socket guys, most likely will fit correctly, because those I noticed that the PCV usually are using the standard, not the metric size, and this is the valve. You can see how much stuff we have on the inside. Now we have a special video that explains how to test the PCV valve and how to know if the PCV valve is bad on Hyundai Sonata, so please check it out. But that's how you guys remove it. It takes only a few minutes, and if you need to buy a replacement one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.